Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your header and footer smaller in Wix. This is a really useful adjustment if you want to maximize content space on your website or simply create a cleaner, more streamlined look for your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where all your site management options are located. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing you additional settings related to your website. From this drop-down selection, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have in place. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to adjust your header and footer size. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Edit Site button. This button is typically found at the top part of your screen, usually beside a small pen icon. Clicking this button is what takes you into the actual editor where all the design changes happen. Go ahead and click on Edit Site to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you can customize nearly every visual element of your site. The process for adjusting your header and footer is pretty straightforward, so don't worry if this is your first time doing it. Start by locating your header at the top of the page. Click directly on the header to select it. Once selected, a reorder handle will appear. This handle is your control point for resizing. Simply drag it up or down to create the size of header you want. Dragging it up will make the header smaller, while dragging it down will make it larger. After you've adjusted your header to your liking, it's time to do the same with your footer. Scroll down to the bottom of your page where your footer is located. Click on the footer to select it, and just like with the header, a reorder handle will appear. Drag this button up or down to adjust the size of your footer. Moving it up will shrink the footer, giving you more content space, while moving it down will increase its size if you need more room for footer elements. And that's it. You've now adjusted both your header and footer to better suit your website's design needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.